Hello, dear children. How are you today? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome to Goodwill International School and welcome to pre-K math class. Today is June 10th, 2021. So are you ready to learn? Good. So if you are ready, let's review the vegetable we are learning. What is this? Okay, there is a carrot. So it is a carrot, right? So we learn vegetable and our math is about counting vegetables. Okay, so we have one carrot. It is an eggplant. Am I right? Good. So this is a purple eggplant. And what is that? It is a green cabbage. Good. So we have a carrot, an eggplant, and a cabbage. What is that? It looks red. This is a red bell pepper, right? It's called bell pepper and the color is red. So we have one red bell pepper. And what is that? Oh, that is a broccoli. It looks like cauliflowers. Yeah, cauliflower is in white and broccoli is in green. So this is a green cauliflower or a green broccoli? It is a green broccoli, right? Okay, and this is a pumpkin, right? It is a pumpkin. It's a yellow pumpkin. Right, so we have one each. All are one. How many vegetables are there all together now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 vegetables. I think we have more. Let's see. What is that? Oh, this is a potatoes. Can you say potatoes? It's a French potatoes. And the next one is, it is a red tomatoes. So we have a potatoes and a tomatoes. So it sounds similar. Potato, and tomatoes. And this is a mushroom. It's a white mushroom, right? So there are many vegetables now. So what are we learning next? Look at these. You have learned many of this. Tell me what we have learned from this vegetable so that today we can learn more. Okay, we have learned broccoli. Am I right? So we have known the broccoli. Have we learned about the carrot? Yeah, we have learned about the carrot. How about these? What are these? These are tomatoes, and we have learned about tomatoes. And next to the tomato is, there are 2 eggplants. Good. So 2 eggplants here. And what else we have learned? Yeah, you are right. We have learned about pumpkins. So guys, tell me, how many broccolis are there? There is 1. How many carrots are there? 1, 2, 3, right? 3 carrots. So see, there are 3 carrots. And how many tomatoes? 1, 2, 3. Wow, 3 tomatoes. And eggplants, how many are there? 1, 2. Oh, we have learned this one too. What are these? This is called a cucumber. Can you say cucumber? Good. So the circle ones are those we have learned. One more. I remember this we just learned just now. What is that? It is called potatoes. Right, this is French potatoes. Right, this is all we have learned. How about the rest we haven't learned? Do you want to know them? Okay, if you do, let us learn. Okay, this is called a, you know what is that? It is a salad. It is salad, right? This is called salad. We use salads to eat with some sauce, right? Okay, so we have salad. How about this? How do we call these vegetables? They are chilies. How many chilies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 chilies, or we call peppers, right? And this one we call pears, right? Okay, these are called pears. You see, they are pears. And these are, what do we call this? These are called onions. Can you say onions? So we have onions, we have salad, we have chilies, or we call peppers, and we have pears, some people call green beans. And the last one here, you always have it in your kitchen. Your mom has it. This is called garlics, right? This is called garlics. Wow, so now you know many vegetables now. All right, vegetable ingredients. So many things you know. So we have learned new thing today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, you have learned new 5 vegetables. And together you have learned many vegetables. You have learned around 12. So more than 10. That's a lot. Okay. So let's come to our today lesson beside the vegetables counting. What is that? And what does it say? It says circle the vegetables with amount of 2 only. Okay, which vegetable that has amount of 2? Can you figure out? Okay, which one has only 2? This is a broccoli. How many broccolis are there? 1. But it says 2 here. Can we circle this one then? No, cannot. How about this one? Can we circle it? Let's count. 1, 2. Is that enough for the number? Yeah, that's enough. So we have 1, 2, right? We make circle. Okay, so we circle on the 2 broccolis. What else that has 2? Look at this. Do we have 2 bitter gourds? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 bitter gourds. All right. Okay, but can we color? No, because it says only 2. How about this one? 1, 2. Right, there are 2 bitter gourds. Can we circle them? Okay, go ahead. Trace around to circle it. Right, we circle around the 2 bitter gourds. Done. It is clear now. Great job. Next, it says circle the vegetables with amount of 5 only. Which one that has 5? Which vegetables group? Okay, let's count this one, whether they are 5 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4, but the number say 5. Then what should we do then? Should we circle it? No, we cannot. How about this one? Let's count whether they are 5 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. 5 what? 5 tomatoes. So we can circle it. Am I right? Okay. 5 tomatoes. Good. Next one. So I mean 5 potatoes, not tomatoes, sorry. Let's count the tomatoes. So we have potatoes here and tomatoes here. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 tomatoes. So now, can we color it? Sorry, I mean, can we circle it? Because the number say 5. No, cannot. So I will give a cross then. How about this one, whether there are 5 tomatoes or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, there are 5 tomatoes. Okay. Now we are circling around the tomatoes. Sorry, we have 5 tomatoes. So look, we have 5 potatoes here and 5 tomatoes here. And here we have 4 potatoes. And here we have 3 tomatoes. All right. So kids, you understand how to count now? Good. So let's check your worksheet. Open your worksheet now. Okay, this is your English worksheet, I guess. Let's go to math. Okay, your math worksheet look like this. It's a day 3 ថ្ងៃទី3. So look, trace on the circle dotted line of the vegetable with the amount of 2. See 2. So you find the 2 vegetable and trace around it. Circle it. Right, like 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. What else? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not right. 1, 2. It is correct. Okay. Next, it's a trace on the circle dotted lines of the vegetables with the amount of 5 only. See, it's a 5. Okay. It's a 5. So which one has 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we can trace around it. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we trace? No, impossible. This one. 1, 2, 3. Can we trace? It's not 5. This one? Right. This one? 1, 2. No. So find the 5 ones and then you can trace around it. So kids, you can work on it on page 5 and page 6 for today. Okay, good. So that's it for today, guys. Say bye-bye to teachers. And we go to mommy and daddy, listen to them. Bye-bye.